All right, guys. So honestly, I'm just trying to figure out something to even record because everybody's making such great videos and so much content right now about what they can do in Revit and just in their general tutorials and everything. So it's like, what should I do? So I just wanted to pick something kind of simple. Um, One of the things that I wanted to go over was probably going to be within kind of like the families and stuff like that. And one thing that I thought was pretty cool when I first learned about them and with Revit and everything was just kind of like how these structures are made and everything. And one of the things I would like to show is, let me see, I wanted to show, oh man, I don't have, oh, this is so sad. I don't have a mouse. Okay, move. This is so just disturbing. Um, no mouse equals me wanting to destroy this. All right, so first of all, you can show your work plane. If you go to create, and it kind of shows everything. Here's show, and here's set. You can set it if you want it down there in the lower reference, front and back, side to side. We're gonna do the back one. Show. I'm gonna try to move this without a mouse. My goodness. These are terrible. They're not even in good spots. This is going to be a terrible video. Just that's what you're going to get out of this. It's a terrible video. We're going to go with that. I think we're just going to put it on that one. We'll look at the front view here. Oh my goodness. How do I zoom in on a trackpad thing? Phew. Desktop got packed up. We're in the process of moving, so it's been fun. What in the world am I doing? Okay, I'm trying to. Oh, it's gonna be a really bad video today. Apologize, everybody. Oh, just swipe your finger down. How do I get you to move? It's troubling. Well, one good thing is I also have a touch screen, so if I could just get this thing to do what I need it to. So tap on that real fast. And then we can actually just edit extrusions. Aggravating. Or you know what? How about I take what's already there, I create a work plane right there next to it, and then we go from there. I think that'll be a good idea. I'll just set my mouse way up here, and I'll do this. Like I said, worst video you will see all day. So I just like the fact that I can do, a sweep at a 3D shape by sweeping a 2D profile along the path. Ah, and there we go. That is it. This is the one I'm wanting. And of course, it's gonna be like, oh, you need to sketch a path. I want that path to go all the way around here. Oh, I need a mouse. Oh, I can't even do the tab thing. That's aggravating. All right. Here's our pathway. More than one curve not allowed. What? It should. They got 3D edge. I want all of it to be a 3D edge. You guys want to continue? What's that curve? Maybe it is that curve. I don't know. This is weird. I don't like this. This is terrible. I don't like it. You can only have one curve. What? You talk about one curve, so I can't do that one? Is that what you're saying? Wow. This is aggravating. We're gonna do this right here. Look at it. Look. Ah. Here. No. Oh my goodness. This is wonderful, guys. I'm loving it. It's saying only one curve. So we'll do that. Maybe. Oh, look at that. Oh, beautiful. I don't like that, Larry. It's a terrible table. I just want it to have a nice curve. All right, so we're gonna press Control V. Get that crap out of there. All right. Click X. No, this is so bad. All right, we're just gonna do that. Yeah, let's just. So nasty. I hate this so much. I probably did the wrong thing. Yeah, we'll just. I don't want to be that guy. Yeah, it was sweet. You know what, guys? I am very smart. Okay. Click path or sketch the path. And a bigger path. You're gonna look at it from the tip. More professional. Okay. All right. Oh, look at that. That's what I wanted. Yeah. Edit the profile. Look at it from the side here. All right. Let's get up on in. Yeah. I'm gonna make me a nice little profile. Let's see what we got. We can get some nice little curves in there. Yeah. Gotta get your curve. We'll go out that 25 right there. Get a nice little slippity slope on there. We'll go down about 7. No, we'll do 18. That's fine. Right there. Just a little up there. Zoom out as much as we can here. Oh my goodness. It's terrible. do one that kind of pops out like that. And what we'll do is end up bringing it right on back in. Right there. And we'll give it kind of a lip. There we go. That should be wunderbar. And it probably needs to come back to itself, though, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know why this keeps popping up. Stupid floating meeting controls. Every time, I don't like it. I don't want you there. Go away. Oh, it's because I keep pressing stupid escape to try to get on the tool. All right, so let's see what this is going to do for me now. Profile by stitch. Yep. There we go. That's a weird profile. I know. It's ugly. But we did it. We did a profile. What we can do is just go from the top view of it. And you'll see the nice ridges. It's beautiful. And we all hate it. I know. We don't like it. Or at least I don't. So you know what? I want to make it a nice wood. I'm gonna go over here and type in some wood here. You know what? We'll go with birch. That's fine. It's not what I really care about, but we'll do it anyways. Tab it, tab. Oh my goodness! I'm telling you, this thing doesn't like me. It doesn't. I just want to be able to click on that nice. There we go. Well, now visible material, and it's going to show it as a laminate. Oh my goodness, I hate that. Hate it. But it's okay. We will just roll with the punches. Actually, I could probably just click right here and it's going to say top material, base material, and I can be like, none. And it'll give me the option of changing exactly what I want it to be. So we do a wood, but what we can do is come down here to the bottom, click on that. Actually, I could just probably pop this up here. We got a few choices. We could choose a cherry. How about that? We'll choose a cherry. It's gonna look nasty, but we'll choose the cherry. I'll apply that one. Go out for a little bit. There we go. And we'll go over here, consistent colors, and you'll have this nice, wonderful looking table. Of course, it's not really that wonderful, but it's all right. It happens. Anybody ever see Bob Ross? That's what I feel like right now. Like Bob Ross talking. Look at some beautiful trees over here. Look at that, guys. You got your nice sweep around the table. It's got this nice edge. And it looks like it's been finished off. Nice and pretty. All right, guys, that's my video. Teach you how to do a nice sweep around some profiles, table, and stuff like that. And then you could do the same thing down with the bottoms of the legs. Like add like a gold trim or add like a foot to the bottom or something like that. You could do the same thing. So yeah, that's my video. Hope everybody enjoyed. Told you it wasn't going to be that great. So, all right, guys.